Okay, this is one of the clients we support. And for this client, the particular thing is they don't usually connect to VPN. Many users don't even know how to, and they are not required to have a VPN client installed. Everything goes through Intune for policies and for whatever applications they need. And so that caused a problem, particularly when the users require assistance. Whenever a technician was to connect to the computer, they couldn't do anything, basically, because since they are not connected to the domain, they couldn't elevate the rights. So what I did is I created a script. Let me change it a bit. Username, password. And what the script does is it creates an account, this account, chooses a password for the account, and then it adds it to the administrators group. Okay, so hence creating a local administrator that we can use or modify at any moment. What I did then is I created this script, saved it, and here in Intune, take it to there. This section for scripts and remediation, what it does is remediations are scripts majorly that you can set to run at certain intervals and certain parts of the domain or the endpoints. And platform scripts are just that. They are scripts. You can set them to either run to all the computers or devices, whatever platform they are, and add groups or certain parameters to get this pushed to whatever part of your domain you need them. So in this case, I'm going to create a quick Windows admin password test. This runs the script with the credentials of the user that's there, but the problem is they don't usually have admin credentials, so I just choose no. I don't enforce it because we don't need the signature for this. And let me create a local admin account. Okay, this is a PowerShell script. It's basically the one I showed you here. It's basically this one with a different ID and password. We choose the tags. That's depending on what the company requires. You can have tags, for instance, for the people in marketing, the people in sales. In this case, it's call center and just testing devices. And then you can add groups. I will add all the devices for this account, which there are about 164, so it's not that many. The thing is, 310 now. Okay. The thing is, this starts the deployment process, and whenever one of those devices gets online, it'll start asking the Intune servers to get all the information. So through here we can download, or we can deploy. From here we can deploy scripts, software, patches, firmware, drivers, anything that has to do with the endpoint can be passed through here. Next, add. This would have created the script to be tested, and once it's already created, it'll start trying to deploy. It'll take a while depending on how many computers and the network and many other points, but it'll start deploying and it'll show the successful ones and what errors may have come in this way.